Okay, I'm going to work on the dog kennel. And today, there's going to be no comedy. I'm sick and tired of everything I got to do is got to be stinking funny. I can't even talk straight this morning, so you know it ain't going to be a funny day. Stupid van. It's so stinking cold. It's 28 degrees working on the stupid dog kennel. Just so they can be warm. What about me? I ain't warm. Stinking 28 degrees out here goofing off. Tell me to get out there and do the lazy? What's she talking about? Lazy. I ain't lazy. Come on, Van. Here we go. Oh, Betsy.
You need Big John's roll-off.
Yeah, Big John will turn that stupid thing off. Come on. Tires frozen to the ground. Got a flat spot on them. Here we go forward from a flat spot. Go over there. Stupid dog kennel. Guarantee you can get stinking stuck in this stupid van here. It's alright. It's alright. It might be old, but she still runs and lose weight. She's sitting there telling me to lose weight. I promise you, if a woman wants a man to go to work, just start talking about how fat he is. Start talking about putting him on a diet. That'll get you out of the house to go do something. Oh. Yeah, there probably ain't much chance of getting stuck today. Everything's frozen. Ground's frozen. Yeah, it ain't too soft. It's alright, we'll get out there though. It's 28 degrees. Trying to fix my hair in the morning and look presentable to the world. Here we go. Got to put on a stupid hat just to keep myself from freezing to death. Then my hair's all messed up. Now we better gas it. Now we're in the mud. I mean, look at this. Look at this mess. Driving through this to go to work on a dog kennel, and I ain't getting paid a dime for it. Spend all my stinking money that I make during the week on her dog kennel and her vehicle. And here I am driving an old piece of junk van out across the... I'm dragging, fixing a house center, and she said, "Here, take care of open the chicken pen, let the goats out, feed it. Make sure you feed the dog. Bring me some water over when you come." That's what I deal with. That's my life. Yeah, you want to see my life? Here you go. Here you go. Yeah, here it is. Look at that. There we go. There's my life right there. Hey there, bud. And look at her. Let's see here. Come on now. Ah. Ow. Yeah, see? Everybody treats me like that. That ain't funny. Come on now. Look at all these chickens. Look. 1 egg a day. 1 egg a day. This ain't getting no eggs from him. Spend all this money on food. Look, that's all I can afford. Yeah, cup is all I can afford too. Put some down there like that and they'll fight over it. used to about a week ago when we could afford to go to QT and get a slushie. We had a nice cup. But somebody had to step on it or something. Come over here and step on my QT cups. That cost $1.28. Had a drink in it though. Don't now, has chicken feed in it. Yeah. Look down in here. Get a little hay for them. Hope you can see that. Chunk it over the top. Bam! I got a chicken. That's how I take my revenge. Uh-oh. Hold on, gotta fix my camera here. Gotta get that angle just right. Just right. Now what I really want to do is back here in the field, I have a big old pile of deck material. I haven't told my wife yet. Yeah, the one that's calling me fat and getting me out of the house to go to work. I have a pile of wood back here. I'm going to put a deck on her dog house. Her dog pen that is just kennel that's so nice with the AC that's going to be in there. And we've got a ceiling fan and LED lights, 3 switches, one for the ceiling fan, one for the lights, one for the outside lights. It's going to be nice. Now I'm fixing to put a 3x4 deck on it. I'm even going to put concrete in the post because I had a post left over, and I have some leftover concrete and some leftover stuff and some leftover screws. Expensive stuff. But if I drive out there in this van, I will get stuck. Here we go. Hey, brother-in-law, come pull me out. I'm stuck. I don't have a yankum rope, but I have a brother-in-law that has a yankum rope. I can go anywhere I want. Look at that pond. Froze over again. Froze over again. Look, I ain't joking. When I say it's 28 degrees, I mean it's 28 degrees. Or at least it was 2 hours ago. But the main focus is to finally do one video without comedy. This is not good. And here we go, guys. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go. Woo! We made it! We did it, fellas! Messing up my deer hunting, but hey, we made it. Now all I gotta do, hey, remember I told you about the wood? There it is. All I need is enough to build a 3x4. I think it'd be nice. Now what we got here? Here's one that'll do. There's one, yes sir. Yes sir. Look there, a new looking one. Yeah. Yeah. Come on. 2. Hey, that'll work. That'll work. That'll work. Just stick it right up here. Look at that. Getting us a nice collection. A nice collection. I guess some of this is ugly. We'll just turn it over. Let's see, how many pieces am I going to need? It's 36 inches. They're 5.5. So 6 times 6 is 36. So I need 7 of them. I need 7. And most of these I can get at least 2 out of. good. That's good. That one there will work. Okay, I think we actually might have enough. Oh, I was like trying for a dramatic something other there. Need a 2x6. The rim joist and the joist. Stick that one there. Now the ticket's gonna be get out of here without losing all this stuff. So I'm gonna have to kind of flop and flail and fling around. Another 2x6. Raw E, mate. Afraid we'll lose our 2x6s. Oh, I don't know. 2x4, I don't want that. I don't want 2x12. Oh, I think we got. Make sure we don't have no screws sticking up. There we do, right there. Turn that over. That wouldn't be good to have in your foot. Let's see here, another 2x6. I think I do want. I have 2x6s over there. They're not treated. I won't treat it. That stick just poked me right in the back. Welcome to Out of My Wits Outdoors. I'm not sure what I'm supposed to put that in. I forget it. That screw about got me. Well, I have 3 rim joist. 2x6, 2x8 treated. I used up a 2x8 treated yesterday for some brick molding around the door. All these screws. I'm glad I have boots on today. Oh, let's go do some more of this stuff. Yep, there it is. All we gotta do is move stuff. Look at there, fellas and fillettes. There's my 2x6 I needed. That'll finish me up. That'll do it. That'll give us a nice deck. Oh, yeah, hey, look here behind me. Look here, fellas. Fillettes. Right here is going to be one of the nicest deer stands you'll ever see. That there, my friends, is an 8x12. Has 2x12 joist. It's gonna be a little house. I'm gonna use metal on the outside. Probably metal on the roof. Vaulted ceilings inside. Gonna have carpet. Set of stairs going off the back side. We'll have running water, toilet, everything, power. It's gonna be nice. And we'll be hunting the field out here. We'll put a food plot, a little pond, so they have water and feed. And they'll walk up. Be like, oh, I don't see that nice house looking thing right there. Plug them. Oh, look at this fan. No, that's not bullet holes. Check it out. You hear that? Listen. Yeah, it's running. Done a little bit of work to this van. New plug. It's a 6-cylinder, so new plugs and wires. New water pump. New idler pulleys, new tensioner. New lower radiator hose. You talk about expensive. Almost $300 for that lower radiator hose right there. $300. I don't see how guys can pay to get their stuff fixed. I mean, the parts is so expensive. $300. Now we're gonna come in here kind of quick, so we got our momentum built up. I need to do rough. Oh. Hey, but we made it through it. Probably buy some more parts after that, but hey. I've been going over 17 minutes here, and I haven't even gotten to the project yet. I might have to kind of ain't nobody gonna want to watch no 45-minute video of an idiot building a deck. Least I can do is to get us over here close enough to let's see here. Alright, we made it, folks. Yeah, I hate it when people call you folks. I do. Kind of a habit, I guess. Not really, I don't hate it. I'm gonna put you on pause. Hold on a minute. You know what's crazy? Even when I'm not videoing, when I'm by myself, I'm still trying to be funny. Like if somebody was with me and I was trying to make somebody laugh, I'm not that good at it. But I still make faces and noises, trying to make myself laugh. Yeah. I can edit that out if I need to. It's not that big a deal. It's like, gone. Y'all remind me to shut my van door. If I don't shut it, my battery will go dead. I'll be like, hey, brother-in-law, I need a jump. Okay, check this out. This here this is our dog kennel. As you can probably hear, we have a few dogs. In there, and there's more behind the trees you can't see. Anyhow, going back on pause. Okay, we're gonna try this out. We're gonna try. So I have a dog. I don't know if you can hear me or not because of the dogs, but we have dogs like this right here. So nice, so nice. She'll probably knock the camera over, and you won't be able to see a thing. But until then, this is what I'm working on. Okay.